for a truck sold in more than 180 countries around the world. How do you build on an already successful design, future-proof the visual look, and take it to the next level of capability and wow factor?
As designers, we engage with customers much earlier in the process, spent more time with them, and got more insights than ever before. We watched how they used and interacted with their trucks. We noticed what they loved and what challenges they had. Interestingly, we found that no matter what market, our customers are doers. They like solving their own problems and they like to feel confident in their truck. Not just the way the vehicle functions, but the way they feel when they're driving it.
We took influence from our Ford global portfolio, but also trying to push the visual language of the truck so it feels contemporary and advanced when it hits the road. Our inspiration came from many areas too, such as products and landscapes, to help bring in new shapes and executions in our sketch work.
I get asked a lot, what was your biggest surprise from all the research? I can tell you it wasn't something on the exterior or anything on the interior. The biggest surprise was that no matter what the market, customers were aligned on what they thought Ranger should be, in terms of the way it needs to look and the way it needs to make them feel. This was a really clarifying moment for us. It meant that one truly global truck was possible.